Welcome to Winning a Life Online, the place of product reviews, life hacks and money advice. Today I am going to unbox and review two of my recent, well, one of them recent, one of them not so recent, Louis Vuitton purchases, and that is the Louis Vuitton Keep It bracelet and the Louis Vuitton Taiga bracelet for men. So, like always, you get the standard receipt. These are two men's bracelets. Don't ask me why one box is small and one is bigger. This was the one that came for Christmas. So obviously it has the cool Louis Vuitton wrapping there, and Louis Vuitton box with the dust pouch, and this one is the 19 Louis Vuitton Taiga bracelet. It's in Taiga leather, and if you look on there, it says Louis Vuitton around the outside, if you can make that out. That is the Taiga bracelet. This has been discontinued now, actually, because this was for summer 2017, and then they've stopped doing this. So we'll get back to this shortly. If I leave it there, and then obviously this was the Christmas one, so you've got the Christmas ribbon again, and the name tag if you want to put someone's name on it. This box is smaller than the other one. The Louis Vuitton dust pouch again, and this one being the Louis Vuitton Keep It for men. This is the Keep It in Damier canvas. So, got the Keep It and the Taiga. Both have Louis Vuitton written on the clasp. This clasp here is not scratched. It looks scratched, and it's only because the light is shining on the metal, and this is like shiny reflected metal, whereas this is duller. And the name of the products, obviously this is the Louis Vuitton Keep It in Damier, and this is the Louis Vuitton in Taiga blue, Taiga leather. And what do the products do? Obviously these are men's bracelets, and I really like these two. I took a lot of deliberation and a lot of time choosing which one I liked, and I really liked both of them, and I got them because one of them is in the classic Damier, and the other one is, just really bright and looks really cool with any outfit. And I wear it sometimes, obviously, with my watch, in front of my watch, so I'll wear it there, or I'll wear it on my left hand. So you can switch it up, wear it with a suit, or casually, or commuting, going to work, whichever you prefer. They go with anything. And how much do these products cost? So we'll start with the Keep It bracelet. This is £140 in the UK. Louis Vuitton says it's one of their most reasonable priced bracelets. £140 reasonable, but when they go up to like 300 and so, you can see why. The Taiga was more expensive. If I remember rightly, I think it was 200 and something pounds. I can't remember the exact figure, but it was over £200. I can't remember exactly how much this one was because I bought it a few months ago. Obviously Louis Vuitton manufactures in-house both of these products, and so the standard of craftsmanship and work is at the highest standard. And they come in two sizes, so they come in, these are both a 19, but they come in a a 19 or a 21. I recommend a 19 for a snug, nice fit, because the 21 can bounce around the wrist and be just a bit too bulky. You know, it'll look a bit too much. The 19 is perfect. The obviously the other features that it has is this is obviously a Damier canvas, and that is Taiga leather, but they both, you know, do the same thing, and they both have the same sort of like operating way. So this little button here on the clasp, you pull it to release it, and it has obviously made in Spain written there, and then it will go back in. The same as with the Taiga. So you've got the button there, just pull it. You've got obviously the made in Spain again, which you can just make out there, and then put it back in together. They look really great, and they're really easy to clean and maintain as well. Just wipe down very easy. The features that I'd like to see, or what I think it lacks, is, so in Louis Vuitton in the United Kingdom you can obviously get the Taiga, or you can get the Damier, but they lack on the classic monogram in these. You can get them in the thicker bracelets, but in the smaller, you know, just loops. Some people call them like the hair bobbles, because that's what they look like. I think Louis Vuitton miss a trick by not doing more monogram bracelets. And the similar products to these on the market as well are the Hermes bracelets. They're quite popular, and the Gucci, but for me personally, I just prefer Louis Vuitton. I have bought, you know, quite a lot of Louis Vuitton products, and I just prefer them on a personal note, but you know, you can go with whatever you like. And the success for the bracelets are phenomenal. They're always sold out. Obviously this was the summer one for 2017, and it's not on their website anymore. They've well, in the United Kingdom anyway, they stopped it, and they stopped doing it. But the Damier, that is always sold out in the United Kingdom. It's like the toiletry pouch, the other video I did. That is always sold out. You need to regular check, otherwise, you know, they'll say, oh, go on the waiting list, or you can order it, which never happens. So this is very, very popular. Let me know what you think of this video. Obviously you couldn't go too far in depth because it's just simple. It does what it says. It's a men's bracelet. I just went through a couple of the features with you, the colours, the material. That's obviously canvas. This is obviously Taiga. The clasp opening and similar, easy to clean, easy to maintain. They look fantastic. I've worn both of these with a suit, with my watch, obviously. I've got a black one, a bracelet on today. That's not Louis Vuitton. You can wear it with anything: jeans, t-shirt, suit, on the beach. You know, I've even worn this one for swimming. Like I said, wiped down really easy. The salt didn't deteriorate the leather whatsoever. So they're both fantastic things. Please check out my other videos, and let me know what you think. Do you prefer Louis Vuitton? Do you prefer the Damier, the monogram, the plain like quality leathers like the Taiga, or do you prefer Hermes or Gucci? Let me know. Please subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you very much.